Welcome to today's Excel tip. Now, at times you have data in Excel, example, this table of companies and where the first three branches are, and you're comparing your data with maybe a hard copy, and you would like Excel to read back what you type in or read back columns or rows. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to add the speed controls to our quick access area. So let me click on the custom quick access toolbar drop down and I go to more commands. So within more commands, what I really want to do is these are not popular commands, so I go to commands not in ribbon and I can scroll down to the S. It's in alphabetical order, so I go down to speak cells, I add it to my bar, stop speaking cells, speak cells by column, and then let's add the speak cell by rows and then speak cells on enter. So I've added all that to my quick access toolbar and then I click OK. So now in my quick access toolbar area I have the speak cells, stop speak cells, and speak cells by column, speak cells by row, and speak cells on enter. So let's see how it works. If I were to select a group of cells right now and I clicked on speak cells.
Indigo. Top city. Ideas on end.
What you've noticed that Excel has read the data by default by rows. If I select columns, I set a full row, I can also click on read cells by, obviously this was already by rows, so let's actually do a column. So Zambia, Togo, Nigeria, we can go to a column. Let's even expand the column, and now we move to speak cells by column and click on the speak cell.
Zambia, Togo, Nigeria, Namibia, Ivory Coast, Tanzania.
So you've seen that the system went column by column reading the data out to us, and this helps us set a large chunk of data. And as we're looking at the hard copy, we ask Excel to read whether it be by column or by rows, and we're comparing what we hear what is on the hard copy. Another thing we can do is we can turn on the speak cells on enter.
Cells will now be spoken on enter.
So we just said that cells will now be spoken on enter. So let's add another company at the bottom here. So let's quickly create borders, and the company name is Fifi. Fifi. So as soon as I clicked out of the cell or I pressed the enter key, the words were spoken. So Fifi is in Benin. As soon as I hit enter key, Excel will read the word
Benin.
It's also in Ghana.
Ghana.
And it's also in Togo.
Togo.
So you see that when the speak on cell enter is on, Excel will read as you exit cells after keying in text. If you ever want to turn this speak on feature off, you just click on the stop speaking cells, and there you have it. So now you can let Excel read back chunks of information to you as you cross-check or make references. Thank you.